Presenting Colorx. Color stories at your fingertips.
This is a color-replaced garment photo image.
Press the auto button at the top to create color stories.
The colors are picked up randomly from the choice of your own color palette.
And so on. And so on.
You can also load image of your graphic artwork, created in any other software.
Let's load a few color-replaced graphic artwork images and create color stories.
And so on. And so on.
With Colorx, you are never short of color stories.
Thank you for watching.